Hi there, Mark here again. Got Rob with me.
Hiya.
Alright Rob, welcome to part 3 of the XV01, that's this one, versus TT02. We've got 2 other videos out there about what this is like stock against TT02 stock. Now this is massively upgraded.
It is.
We're going to cut away from here and back to the hobby shed, and we'll tell you what's been done to the TT02. So here we have Rob's quite highly modified now, isn't it, Rob?
It certainly is.
TT02. We'll just whiz quickly through the changes you've made. I think the first ones were ball races.
Ball races, yeah.
Yeah. It was CVA oil-filled shocks.
Yeah.
You then went for the aluminium prop shaft, but you've left the plastic cups only to save a bit of money.
Yeah.
You've got high-speed gear set.
Yeah.
Which is 68 tooth.
Yeah.
You've put 22 tooth pinion on the motor.
Yeah.
And you've swapped that out for a spare torque tube now, haven't you?
I have now, yes.
So that should spin a little bit quicker than the standard one. You've gone for 3mm towing on the rear, haven't you?
Yeah.
With the aluminium uprights you can see in there.
Rally foam inserts on the tyres.
Oh yeah, cool. Remember that one. The front, you've got some modifications to increase the steering angle, haven't you? The steering throw, which is a lot better than standard now. Quite a few more degrees, isn't it, that you've added?
Yeah, quite a bit, mate.
And you've also got these alloy dog bones in the front.
Yeah, and that was all part of the steering, because once I'd adjusted the wishbones,
yeah,
the dog bones started to catch.
Right, so what are these joints in the end then?
They're the CVA.
Oh right, so
constant velocity joints.
And then Rob's also made some adjustments to the top and bottom wishbones, or A-arms, as some people call them, to give you that drop that you needed to increase the
ride height.
The ride height on there. So what we'll do is, Rob's got a bunch of videos that you should check out to look at any of these mods, especially the one-off things he's done, like the steering and the suspension mods. I'll put a link up to those, so do check those out. So what we're going to do now is, you've probably spent, I don't know, 70 quid, something like that, Rob?
Something like that, yeah.
Upgrading it. Still comes in at less than the XV01, so this thing's still bone stock. We need to get back out and test them, don't we, Rob?
We've done half.
Let's get back to the park. So yeah, hopefully you've seen the mods to that. The XV01 is still stock, and to finish off this series we're going to try and do a bit of a race off. So rather than have them two clattering into each other, and also Rob's had a good point about different driving styles, so he's bravely suggested that I drive both of them, so I hope I don't smash yours up, Rob. We're going to do like a rally stage, or a couple of rally stages, so they'll go one at a time. We'll time them. They'll get 3 runs each, and it's the best time for each stage, and at the end we'll top the times up and see who the winner is. So let's go on to stage 1.
Okay, so the first stage we're going to run is basically a slalom course. We're going to go through these 2 cones to start off, and then coming down here we've got the other cones jumping in and out till we get to the last yellow one, and then it'll be full speed to the other group of cones there, and then back the way we come, slaloming round, and the time will stop when we get through those 2 cones again. Right, we've got the stopwatch here. Are you ready, Mark? We've got my TT02 first up. So, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah, I think I've overcompensated steering there, Rob.
Right, that was about 12.2 seconds. This is the first run of Mark's XV01. So, are you ready, sir?
Ready, mate?
3, 2, 1, go. It's a lot quieter.
Kicking the back end out, isn't it?
It is. 12.5, sir.
Ooh.
Sorry, 12.05. Attempt
Okay.
2. Are you ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go.
Whoop, lost it on the gravel there, Rob.
Yeah.
Going drifting wide. Oh.
Oh, that's a bit slower, 14.23, mate. So this
Coming
is
out.
run 2 of the XV01. Are you ready?
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, a bit slower, sir. 12.52.
Oh no.
So we got the third run of the TT02. Are you ready, Mark?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go. Right,
What was that?
best run yet, 11.6. Can't be bad.
Hit to the cone as well.
Yeah. This is the third run of Mark's XV01. Are you ready, sir?
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, 11.5.
Woo! I think we're calling it a day, that.
I think that's equal, dude. I think both of us got 11.5.
Brilliant.
Or both cars, should I say.
Good. I think yours was a bit quicker top speed, but this was a bit easier to handle through the corners, so yeah.